today I'm gonna be drawing a bird in this app called Sketch. That's PicArt. This is Sketch. Different apps. Anyways, I'm going to be drawing a bird.
I'm drawing a cake.
That does not look like cake. It still doesn't prove that it looks like cake.
I'm not done.
Okay, that makes sense. I'm gonna draw a bird like I used to draw. Oh, sorry. Oh, right, I was using. There we go. And yeah, I'm drawing the bird feet. I'm a really artistic. I'm an artistic. Look how good these legs are.
Let me see.
What? His good legs. He needs a
Like
butt.
a puppy.
Big butt. There we go. Yeah, that looked like bird.
Is
It looks like a really smart bird. Just to make sure it's smart, I'm gonna draw a smart hat for it. He's been through high school. I'm gonna change the color. He's been through high school. An high school bird. Definitely weird.
Put a sprinkle should be better.
There we go. The bird passed school. So I should draw school.
Maybe I should make a chocolate.
A school. School. A school. 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 Door. Look, school. Another. What is that? It looks like pillow.
Damn, you say that.
It passed school. Now he's learning how to fly. Fly. See? He's flying. He's totally flying, and I'm not writing the word fly. Yes. What? Anyway, this is gonna be the end of the video. I just draw a bird. That's it. Goodbye. Make sure to like and subscribe and watch this video until the end if you can.
Ding.
You're a good guy.